Hi everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. As you can see, I just went flower picking, well, tulip picking with my mom. Spring, turning into summer almost. I have 2 weeks left of school, almost summer break. I thought we'd do something, I guess, fruit flavored. Today's episode, we're going to be making orange creamsicle truffles. If you don't know what truffles are like tempered melted chocolate. It's almost like fudge, and you roll it up and you kind of coat it with powdered sugar. This recipe, it's only 6 ingredients. Instead of having it just regular chocolate flavored, it's going to be flavored orange. So to anybody who likes orange flavoring out there, this recipe is for you. To make our orange creamsicle truffles, I have 1 cup of white chocolate chips, ½ teaspoon of orange flavor extract, 3 drops of orange food coloring, ½ a cup of butter, 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. So for our first step, we're actually going to take this to the stove. We're going to start by melting down our butter at low heat. We want to make sure that it is at low heat. Our butter into our pan. And we're just going to let this go until the butter completely melts and there's no solid chunks of butter in the pan. Now that our butter has melted, we're going to add in our heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to be quick and I'm going to add it to my butter. I'm going to whisk this mixture together. Now that we whisk our mixture together, come up to heat just until it simmers, and then when it immediately starts to simmer, we're going to take it off the heat and we're going to set off to the side. It looks like it's simmering right now, so I'm going to turn off the heat. I'm going to whisk it just a little bit more. So I'm going to take this off the heat and I'm going to move over back to our table and we're going to finish and we're going to start our next step. For this step, we're going to move quite fast because we do not want our butter and heavy whipping cream mixture to cool down too much. Start by flavoring our chocolate chips. So we're going to add in the flavor first. So I'm going to add in around 3 drops of our orange extract. I'm going to take 8 drops of our yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to take 4 drops of our red. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to pour our butter and our heavy whipping cream mixture into our chocolate chips. We're going to start whisking this mixture until it kind of comes together. So now that we have our mixture all come together, and you see it is quite orange now since we mixed the white chocolate in, we're going to cover this with cling wrap, or whatever you can do to cover this bowl, and we're going to set it into the fridge for around 20 to 25-ish minutes. So now that we let our creamsicle truffle mixture cool down, I'm going to take the cling wrap out, and it should almost be like hard Play-Doh. So it should be able, you can like kind of mold it with your fingers, but you should still be able to press down into it, and it shouldn't be too hard. And I'm going to take around a tablespoon, I'm going to roll it up in my hands into a ball, kind of let the warmness of my hands kind of melt the outside, and I'm going to drop it into our powdered sugar, confectioner sugar, and then I'm going to roll it one more time in my hands. I'm going to dip it one more time back into the powdered sugar. And that is our first truffle done. And so we're going to repeat this with the remaining of our truffle kind of mixture. I'm going to put these truffles into the fridge to let them chill completely for about an hour. And here is our finished truffles. So I'm going to cut one open just so that you guys see what it's like on the inside. And it really does look like an orange, and you get this nice bright orange color. Thank you guys for joining me on another episode of Owen's Treats. I shall see you guys in the next one. Bye bye! And I hope you try these out.